Alright. Bomba, gotcha. Bomba. Yo, people don't know them things, you know. Want a video? Hey guys, welcome to my first vlog on my new channel, the Duttyberry Uncut channel. And today I'm going to, where am I going? I'm going to Portland. I'm spending the day with Hayuk. Oh, hi. Hey, what's up? What go on? Why am I say a big orange? Oh, you've been watching? Thanks for supporting. I appreciate it. Yo, that is so crazy. Oh God, over there I blushed. But yeah, so I'm heading to Portland to spend the day with Hyundai. Is it Hyundai or Hyundai? A Hyundai. Most right. Okay, I'm going to spend the day with them, driving a nice clean car. Seat there right here. So yeah, man, big excitement. And I'm spending the day also with Jehneel. Wait, you have your name by your bangle? What do you call it? Earring?
My earring.
No, by your hype.
Yeah.
Girl is a full-fledged brand. Okay.
Tattoo with the chain right there to my daughter name.
No, so you're nice.
Yes,
show your panty.
Simone
show your panty now, come I know you name the panty. So see you guys.
Can I get a wow? Wow!
Rusty the ramp with me.
I was like XO, but I think I was an expert. It's an expert.
Mr. Rusty the ramp with me.
Let me hear your Rose impression.
Mr. The burger they fishy.
What?
Let me hear your Rose impression.
The burger they fishy.
Let me hear your Rose impression, Jehneel.
You look like a nice, huh?
Let me hear your Rose impression.
I'm not your impression.
No, I can't do it. I really suck at that.
No, I say what I want to take bit up. I can't understand with my brand in it.
Of course, you just never see.
Oh, I can't be a
You just never see. You just never see. I know about Jehneel, but I talk about myself.
Talk about myself, don't
Alright, so there are Brendan, well, are Brendan Hill there? I saw them say. Tony over there, so I know Tony doing 3-9 bubblegum. Jehneel over there is a vlogging, because she have vlog channel and beer thing. So hopefully by the time this posts up, I can say link is going to be in the description for your blog,
yes.
our vlog.
Yes.
What your vlog are name? Keeping Up With Jehneel, that's all? Okay, alright. You have anything to promote, Tony, tell me?
Not a thing. No lie. Beautiful World Events. If you have any events, birthday parties, anniversaries,
yes.
anything at all, just contact us. What the number? 876-700-2223 or email us at info@beautifulworldevents.com.
You hear that? It just sounds soothing. So I'm going to do. I'm going to support the thing, alright?
So,
Watch your voice now.
what me gonna say?
Soon after.
Alright, so now we just make a little stop. We are at apparently we're gonna go Island Grill. So my girl over there so put on her mask. I don't know why chef is looking at the mirror like she don't know if put on the mask by herself.
Because it's a tear off my makeup.
Oh, okay. I understand the strip, so you
Yes,
put on your lip
so-
and everything I was wipe off on it.
You can just
You hungry? What you feel for? You normally come to Island Grill?
Everything. You know, it's 2 times I ever go Island
Jehneel,
Grill.
not because people are pay for it.
Yeah.
And they are pay for it, and I mean so we have to just order off everything off the menu.
Everything very.
But I'm going to try to see if I can push the limits. So I can get look food for breakfast tomorrow. And
That's exactly what we gonna
so
do.
So you're going to like if you normally buy 2 pieces of chicken, you just say 4 you want, you just say, you try and you squeeze a little extra and then you get the, what you do when people are buy for you, then you get the side order them what you never normally get. So when you buy the food now, you just say, yo, you want extra fries, like plantain, some corn and them look at something we never normally get. And this at the time when this is what you do.
Sure.
Then I understand the levels, so no. Well,
I'm catch the Chris Brown dance. You want to know, man?
alright, I'm see it. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. You want to tell her for form a dance group,
I
tell you, like when you form a dance group, I tell you, I'm not ready, because you know, show up so we can't become a see do the dancing thing, or we can't start with the choreography. Yeah.
Go and get a bad dance and don't play with Jehneel.
Alright.
Sure.
It's not funny if you want to come book it to a while ago.
Hey, nigga, right, it's gonna kill you.
Really remember, we just buy a little chunks more than what we normally get.
Jesus have mercy.
We have to make them know the plan. What am I getting?
Yeah.
Woo!
Come guys, on all this for about 10 hours on and on I eat.
It's the first time I'm coming here.
Welcome.
I'm a tourist.
I need a
Oh,
sandwich.
so this is what you do. You
Yeah.
wait until, this is what you do. When you come out and people are paid, you wait until them order and you see how you can squeeze them. Yeah, you know the strip.
Yeah.
You can get the fish with plantain.
Oh, somebody get fish with plantain.
Which is that the combo? Yes.
Also, somebody get combo, so
So I just see jerk, me know what make me taste the jerk one time and I never like it.
I want thing though, the road them up a Stony Hill narrow bad.
yeah.
But thanks to God, you're in a Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson know how to maneuver the road.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Go Raven! Go Raven! Go Raven! Yeah, alright.
I'm tired.
Yeah, more, come in now. Alright. On the Sunday. Alright, Kadini, no, you're not run out of it, now come in, man. Yeah. Alright.
Tony.
Yeah, go there. Alright. Go there, Craig. There you know where to go. Jehneel, you farted. You know the thing with them. Nice, decent. Not change the subject.
Where they come from? Buffet.
Not change the subject.
Yeah, we're going to change the top.
Why did you fight in the car a while ago?
I did not.
Because all the AC I try to hide it to them and say, yeah, it's a go on, and then I sit and fight it. You flatulated. Wow.
Very, I did not know.
Come on, man, wait there, do a while. Give us something. Okay. Say the girl. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Running, give me my go, man. Running, man. Running.
Go. Hey. To the birthday. Ow.
Okay.
Ow. Hey. What? All right, quick, ready. Hey. Catch it.
Running. Okay. All right. Yeah. Don't drop my camera, raw. All right, come in, Kenny. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Tony. Yeah.
I run too much joke, yeah, man.
Alright, so right now we are at Folly Castle, Folly House or something like that. We're inside of Portland same way. And this is the place, the property. Hello, nice and everything. Jehneel down there, so I take picture. I do not know why she don't come up here. Jehneel, come! I'm going to leave you.
Oh, okay. I thought, you want when you start walking over them? Barry, you can't walk.
Where's that?
Now walk here for come.
Jehneel, I'm nervous.
Come, give me your hand there.
Okay.
When you go down. Hold on, baby, hold on. Alright, come. Come now.
Come, hold on, take the camera. Card me. Oh God.
Now when I jump, the second time come down.
Jehneel.
Just take your time. Bear, just take your time.
Okay, I'm good. Bridge. Oh, this. This is the part where you take off your foot and sit there. Take off your foot, yes?
No, I'm not take off my foot.
And more, you good?
off, come.
Come throw a stone and say, oh.
Try to chop off the head off.
Get gone. Your crab. Oh, the crab. Oh, wow. You see inside there? I feel bad because I actually eat crab already.
Come on,
Wow. Say hi. Hola. Oh, why? So we're looking at that couple
Is that a
that
stone
has
right
come
here?
here to Dugu Dugu. Folly ruins. Folly, yeah. So where is the condom? We're gone. Oh, so we found it. So apparently a lot of people come out here to come dash out. And so there's a condom right there.
I stop looking at the condom, because you know what condom look like.
And then there's another
Why
condom.
would I know it look like that?
Come.
There's another one. And there's one right there. Oh my god. No man, no, so this is bad. So the people them really come up over here. So where the place name again? Folly Ruin. Folly Ruin. So is this some place that you would come to dash out? Would you come? Bomba look good.
Yeah.
No, come through.
Yeah. 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 Go down.
Where you say go? You forgot down?
No, you just you gotta tell us to stop.
Oh, come there, go do it.
Barry. That
What?
one.
Where? Oh, yeah, look, we must have more bombers. One other one here. I want this. Alright. So, Jehneel, we're playing a game, and it is called Find the Condom. Right? Let's go. See if we can find them more. So, there's another one right here, so.
So 3 we're gone already.
We're going 3.
Come over here. Yeah, do you see the red one right there, sir?
Yeah. I just don't understand though why the people them wouldn't like dispose of their condom. Why them have to leave it on the ground, so?
Because they must have rubbish.
We don't just fling it all this stuff. Everybody knows around is a killing spot. Wow, this nice, me not lie. You find more? All slippers.
Yeah, where this actually bring up from?
Where is it?
Yeah, lip on the rock this up.
Yeah, they're don't sign off. You know, so I think I saw one blues though. I think I read this out there.
Right, okay?
I think I saw one blues from Pornhub, but I keep it have sex down on the rock.
Barry.
Bomba, so another one there. Wow. What that's a Rough Rider?
Yeah.
So, alright, so we are find them. No, sir, them they both. No, sir.
And probably if we go a little further, we see more.
The people them dangerous are the people them good Folly house. Folly lighthouse estate. Yeah.
1 hour later.
We're there, Boston. We're there, Boston, and we see the people who always come and get with jerk pork pan. Yeah. And with jerk chicken pan, and you know, so if you want the best tasting jerk pork, you have to ensure that you come on out of Boston, so Jamaicans come out. Boston people want you, they're out here with great tasting food, good jerk. Right?
Yes.
And it has been a good trip. From Kingston
Good afternoon.
to Boston.
Good afternoon.
Gentle people.
Yes.
I'm JJ. This is my shop, Gold Teeth Jerk Center.
So with our Gold Teeth Jerk Center, JJ.
What the gold teeth?
We have chicken, we have fish, we have lobster. Roast fruit, sweet potato.
Oh my.
We got a soup, we got conch inside, crayfish, and we have fish inside.
You got
All in
everything.
one. So you guys can go down and turn and come back right here.
So we're going to park and then we're come out and we're full up our belly with some good jerk food. The soup come.
Keep it locked. Them competitive though. Oh yeah.
Alright, what's a dance?
Alright. Yeah.
It's standing
Alright.
in my way.
Yeah, Jehneel.
Standing in my way.
Jehneel is a mess.
Ladies first.
Oh.
Hold the camera.
Drop is a pork. Sespa? Sespa, you know, so Craig, me can't tell Sespa and give some pork.
Good man. Alright now, genocide.
Oh, bless.
Yeah, madam.
Oh, totally forget. Alright, on. There. Yes, me?
Yeah. Hey, Craig.
Okay, some of this. Huh? Okay. Okay. Alright, so right now, we're there at Portland, Boston Jerk Center. Boston Jerk Center.
Yes.
I mean,
I got goat feet.
what is me have one seafood
One
soup.
for mix up.
One seafood soup. I'm gonna try it and see it taste. Hold on. It tastes nice. It tastes like taste even octopus in
Very tasty again.
We have octopus in there. Video the brother here, what's your name, boss?
Yeah, Buju in there.
Yeah, Buju.
Buju Jerk Center.
How you get the name Buju? You used to sound like Buju Bantana or something like that? Alright, so you can't say that down in the ear. We don't hear a little something. We must get hear a little one line, don't it? Why your voice gone? Now, who is right just to know? Also, why you have on a green hat? Yeah, you have on your green hat. Is that special reason why you have on a green hat? Oh, you just like green. No particular reason. Oh, see that? So you're ready for this? You're ready for September the 3rd? You're ready? Come on, vote on them something. You have vote too? Yeah, you have vote on them.
Why you? That is man. So,
yes.
you have vote.
Okay. I have vote for the place where have the same. Okay, so we'll find out. Everybody around here, so vote. You have vote, boss?
Yeah, man, I have one, man.
So you have vote according to the color here, other color here, right?
I have vote for 6 kid labor, right?
Oh, Jesus Christ. So everybody, okay. You have vote too?
Look here. Yes. You broke had no problem in this.
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir.
Shibada? Shibada, what Shibada say?
What Shibada say, bro?
Me ask you what Shibada say.
Me don't know.
It's too wicked. We call election when PMP asleep.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. So you definitely sure say Andrew will win.
Look here. Look here.
Remember the last time Porsche, they said, do I look like I lose a
Look here. It's the best prime minister ever seen.
Okay.
In a 30 years. So
Yeah.
3 decades.
Yes.
I ever see.
Okay, alright, so we know who the vote I got to.
Yep.
I don't decide who make a vote for yet, but I will be hardly voting. Okay. Yeah, we want to say something. What you say?
Coconut water.
Coconut water. How much you sell the coconut water for? May I try to support you just because your show? What's your name, boss?
Bobby.
Bobby, okay. And a long time you live like around them side here?
Right, that's all.
Okay, nice. Alright. May I go support the thing? Yeah. Alright. Servings. You want people that will eat like 5 different small servings?
Give me the next one of this.
One more.
How much is on here?
Like special pork does come out, so. Or them pork look like a special.
Yeah, man, give me my coconut. We can't put no better than that, man. We're current.
He said one more lad. Yeah.
Alright. Alright, that's it guys for the end of this vlog on my Duttyberry Uncut channel. Make sure so you go ahead and like the video as well as to share the video, subscribe, leave a comment, turn on the post notification, follow me on my socials at Duttyberry Show. We have Jehneel right here, so who they accompany me today. I'm going to do one bag of nice and festivities and excitement. So go and plug your social. Where your social?
At Keeping Up With Jehneel. At Keeping Up With _Jehneel.
Over here, so I have Tony. Tony, where you want to plug your social as well, business, whatever.
Follow at Miss Tony Sherry and follow Beautiful World Events JA.
Okay, alright, and then so we are enjoying with you with Hyundai Sunday and Ekmore gone over the start talk, so I guess he's going to miss out on the whole entire intro and excitement, but that is it. Hope that you enjoyed it. Peace out. Why am I doing all that sound effects?